At best, they had an axe, and they had to really learn how to sharpen, make them very smooth and very polished, and had to have good shape to swing them things and hit them just right. To survive a winter, they chopped wood all summer long.
There's like a sample of berries here. There's many everywhere. Are you tired now?
Yep. Steep uphill.
Alright, any concluding words?
It's a good thing it's only in the 50s today. So I'm already hot and sweaty, just been walking for 2.5 miles. We didn't do the full 6-mile loop. We turned around at the halfway point. But that's it for the day.
Alright, bye for now.
Bye for now.
See you later. God bless everybody. Walk, walk, walk. Walking is a good exercise.
Maybe too good of exercise.
Good for your body. Good for your health.